After initial first look and hands-on with the Galaxy S22 series and the Tab S8 series, the initial response from you, our viewers and subscribers, for the Tab S8 series was overwhelmingly good compared to the Galaxy S22 series, especially considering their new Ultra tablet. Weeks have gone past, we've been waiting, but no review unit had come in, and while we were at NWC, we decided to take matters into our own hands and get hold of our unit of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. So we're gonna do that, unbox it, and give you our initial impressions. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick unboxing of the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. All right, so this is the behemoth, the 14-inch tablet from Samsung, pretty much mirroring what they've done with the Tab S8, S8 Plus, Tab S8 Ultra, like what they've done with the S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra. So the model we have here does come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, as well as 128 gigabytes of internal storage. And it's the graphite color, and I believe this is the Wi-Fi only. It's SM-X900. Okay, so we have it here, and this is the Tab S8 Ultra. Let's unbox it. Yeah. Ooh. Get this and unbox it properly. There we are. Flip it open. Tab S8 Ultra. Okay. So this is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, not the Exynos 2200. And here it is in its full glory. Let's put this here for a minute. And what's great to see straight away is the fact that the S Pen, as we suspected, does come included. Now, it's not a Note device, so the S Pen does not actually fit in, but there are magnetic attachments for it as well. Here we have it. And we've got a much longer USB-C to C cable, and this is in the white color, and it does support the fast charging capabilities, and I believe that is up to 45 watts or 65 watts. We'll clarify that come our first full impressions. So we'll put that away for now. And because of obviously the slimmer packaging, we do see that there is no charger in the box, which we're still not 100% too sure when it comes to a tablet device not having a charger, but there is no charger that comes in the box here. Just a couple of booklets here, and you've got the SIM ejector tool, but that is used for the micro SD card slot, which it does come with. Is there anything else that comes in the box? We believe not, as suspected. What that means is we'll put this to the side, we'll put the S Pen here, bring it to the center of attention, which is all to do with the Tab S8 Ultra. Right, just gonna take this off. Always an interesting one. Okay, so it's from the back. Let's go from the back. As you can see the diagram showing you the magnetic attachment points for the S Pen. So this will come out nicely. Wow, this tablet is huge, as we would expect. This tablet is huge. Okay, so we'll go around and check it. It is more of a landscape orientation based tablet, but you do have the USB-C port. You've got the dual speakers on that side. At the top, we do have the power button, the volume rocker as well, noise cancelling microphone, and obviously the micro SD card slot, which is great. Obviously the other speakers here. And when we go down the bottom, we've got the magnetic attachment for the keyboard, as well as the docks here. But what we do notice is that this being a 5.5mm thin device, that we don't get a headphone port. So there's no headphone port on there. And if we look at the magnetic attachments, it's right here for the S Pen, as well as up top here. But I believe up top here does not charge it. So it charges at the back, and the magnet initially feels fairly strong. So let's power this on and get to setting it up. So okay, we're pretty much at the fingerprint setup stage. Let's just see how it is to set up the fingerprint sensor. And we do believe that it's in display, so in horizontal on the right hand side. You can do face unlock as well. And this is optical. And 87%, 94, added, press done. We're then gonna go to the display. Go here. And let's see if this works without the display being on. It does seem to need the display on. It doesn't behave like the S21 FE, or it doesn't behave like what you find on the ultrasonic until the screen lights up. Yep, as we can see. So it does need the screen to light up, meaning that it is signifying it to be optical. Takes a few seconds. There you go. Okay, so that's the fingerprint sensor. So we're gonna go into the software. The S Pen feels really smooth. We've got About Tablet, software, and this is using One UI version 4.1 with Android 12. And as you know, we will do a deep dive video to find out what software features come with One UI 4.1 and One UI Tab 4. But this is running Android 11, which is great to see. And also when we go to the display, there isn't an option to downscale the resolution by the looks of it, but you can go into dark or light mode, which switches very quickly. Turn the adaptive brightness. It isn't adaptive in terms of the refresh rate, or else it would have stated it. It does seem to be static at 120. And also you can drop it to 60. Font size, timeout, the usual. So yeah, this is the Tab S8 Ultra. This is using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. This model that we do have here has got 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. So we go to the device care. We can pretty much see that right here with 128 GB of storage. Oh, okay, hello. And also 8 GB of RAM. And if we do go into memory, we probably do get the RAM Plus feature that allows you to change, but yeah, it's gonna request you to restart. So let's go into wallpapers, and yeah, color palette is there as well. So initially, this is just how we feel about the Tab S8 Ultra is that it's a huge tablet. The notch is not that intrusive. It's okay, it's not that bad. Yeah, more to come with it when it comes to using it. My first tablet in a long while, I think the last tablet I used on the Android side was from Samsung, and it was the Tab S3. So it's gonna be interesting to get to know and experience using a tablet on the Android side, especially with One UI again. But this is just literally our quick impressions stating that we do have the Tab S8 Ultra. And as we are still running the S22 Ultra and the S22 Plus, we know that there's going to be a lot of features and benefits that you do get with the Tab S8 Ultra that should be of benefit when using it on both. But yeah, that is pretty much our initial unboxing and quick impressions of the Tab S8 Ultra. Be sure to like, subscribe, and also turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on SamMobile. And we're going to be covering and deep diving, and let us know in the comment section below what you would like to see. And again, visit us at SamMobile.com for all the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, and we will catch you in the next one. See you later.